itakuwa inafikia boma 103.
Insurance firms are accelerating the shift towards digital transactions as competition intensifies in Kenya's financial services sector. Old Mutual has partnered with Agentify to streamline insurance sales, automate policy processing, and enhance customer onboarding through digital channels. Analysts say digital integration is becoming critical for insurers seeking to tap younger, tech-savvy customers and scale operations in an increasingly competitive market.
At the end of the day, you want to reduce your expenses of operating in business. You want to reduce the cost of collecting money. You want to reduce the cost of quote to bind. You want to reduce the cost of servicing, because we have a claims module in the system also. Because of Agentify being in the loop, we know that for our insurers who use us, we're cutting about 25% of the cost of you servicing your agency network when you service it through our network.
They will have ease of engaging and accessing their policies, checking the value that all our policies then provide to them, and also have visibility and transparency in the transaction.
Kenya's fisheries sector showed resilience in